is Richard. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you notice in the title, it says the importance of setting goals. Well, let me explain to you what I mean by that. The reason why it's really important to set goals, and a lot of different successful people out there that have made it big have set goals. And it's not just about setting goals. It's really about setting goals that are measurable goals. And that means literally taking a pen and writing down what your goals are. You know, for example, I want to gain or lose weight. I want to lose about 30 pounds, and I want to lose 30 pounds in, let's just say, 90 days. Because you want to make, first of all, you want to make your goals realistic. You don't look for the quick fix or anything like that when it comes to the next get rich type of thing that's out there, or I want the next quick weight loss pill or something like that. Because if you think about it, hard work is what it takes in order for you to achieve success when you set your goals. Not every quick fix out there works, and in fact, I personally don't believe in quick fixes, because you have to work hard at what it is that you want and what you want to achieve. So when you set your goals, make them measurable goals. And let me give you some examples of setting a measurable goal, another measurable goal. I want to expand my knowledge and learn how to be successful in my own life. Well, commit to like 10 pages of some type of personal development book per day. Set some time out of your schedule to do that. Plop in a video, or actually go on YouTube and watch a video of Tony Robbins, just some examples, Eric Worre, some old Jim Rohn ones, and different ones. Maybe even watch the movie The Secret, which is actually on Netflix. I think it's still on Netflix, but if not, you can still get it for nothing. That's another way. Another way, so you want to commit to a certain level of personal development education on a daily basis. The other thing that you want to focus on too is your physical and your personal health and well-being. Because if you don't feel good physically, and then mentally you're not going to feel good as well, and you're not going to be able to focus and do those type of things for personal development that you need to do, or work on your business or setting those. So you're not going to be motivated to do those goals. So you want to take care of your health. That's another goal. Set a goal of, you know, I'm going to take better care of my body, and I'm going to get out to the gym 3 days a week, and I'm going to start out gradually by working 15 to 20 minutes a day. And if you don't know how to start a program, get in touch with someone who knows how to work with people at different levels. Because remember, not every single health or wellness program or workout program, it's not a one size fits all. Everyone's physiology, everyone's body, everything is different about their body and our systems. So you want to find a person who's in tune with who you are and can help you develop a program. And once that program is set, then you want to go ahead and execute that program. And then you want to set down your goals, and you want to have an accountability partner to help you achieve those goals from a fitness standpoint. Dietary, another thing. You definitely want to make sure what you put inside your body is good, because what you put in is what you're going to get out, quite frankly. So set up a goal board in your home, in a place where you know you won't be disturbed. Some people work on affirmations on a daily basis. They say things, different types of affirmations. But it's really important when you set those goals, make sure that it's very important to set those goals in order for you to be successful in business, in life, in anything, whatever it is that you want to do. So keep that in mind, and I hope you found the video of value. Feel free to send me a message, and I'll be happy to connect with you. I'm also on Facebook, and you can connect with me on Facebook and Twitter. So make it a great day, because like I always say, each and every day is a great day. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care and be successful. Stay motivated. Set those goals. Take care.